What is up everyone, welcome to Knowledge channel. In this short video, we are going to fix speaker not working issue in Samsung Galaxy F62 or any F series device. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start the video without wasting any time. So to fix speaker not working issue, first of all you just need to restart your device and then follow every step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.